Oh yeah, I just saved $300 by switching to Geico. No, I didn't. But I'll tell you how I did actually save $300 in today's episode. Boom.
Hello, and welcome to Finance Friday. I'm your host, the Manny. In this YouTube video, which I will be releasing the last Friday of every month, I'll be covering tips, guides, and daily habits so that you can live a happier life with more money in your account. Let's begin. Oh, I just made it rain. No, really though. I just saved like $360 and Legoland annual passes costed me $0. How did I do this? Craigslist. The Legoland annual passes for me and my family come with free guest passes. We got like 8 of them. I was like, okay, like 8 people are going to come to Legoland with me throughout the year. No, they're not. No, we're gonna bring the kids there quite often, and it's gonna cost us a lot of money for these annual passes, and I have to justify it. So what did I do? I posted them on Craigslist, and you wanna know what happened? People bought them for money. Free annual passes to Legoland. It's super simple. Take a picture with your phone. The Craigslist app is like, you download it and give them an email address, that's it. Take a picture of the passes with your phone, not the backside, because you don't want people to get the barcode and try to print them out and hand them in, and don't do that. Just the front side, here's a picture. And post them for something reasonable. Look what everybody else is doing on there. Maybe go a little higher to begin with and then get a little bit lower, whatever you have to do. But it's a great way to save money and get your annual passes for $0. You still get to go there, you still get to enjoy it, but it didn't cost you anything. Just a quick little tip, something I just recently started doing. Whoa! Shh, don't tell anybody that I'm doing this because it says on there that you're not supposed to sell them. We have a single household income. I'm a parent, I'm looking out for my family. Everybody else is on Craigslist doing it. So I kind of did it. It worked out though. Next thing that I plan on doing is SeaWorld. They're a little trickier because they only give you the guest passes when you're actually there, and they're only good for that day. So what I'm planning on doing with that is posting on Craigslist, I will meet you there. Pain in the butt a little bit. We might be going that day anyways. Maybe that's the way I'll plan it, as I'll say, hey, I'm going this day. I'll meet you there. You know, I'm going with the kids anyways. Go in to guest services, get my guest passes, come back out, give them to the people. But hey, you know, a buck is a buck. $300 is $300. Oh, by the way, yes, Funkle, I am one on YouTube. Maybe in real life, I'm not gonna tell you. But thank you for tuning into this how to save $300. And I will see you guys later. Peace. There it is. Pertaining to theme park tickets with respect to legal ramification in the event said parties profited from the sale of said tickets, the burden of proof shall fall on the theme park that said parties providing funds were not acquaintances of the accused. Yeah, you got to prove that those people weren't just giving me gas money. I knew all of them. Yep, I'm still here. Still trying to get 100 subscribers so I can get my custom YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed already, click here and then click subscribe. If you have already subscribed, please click one of these videos. Love you guys.